Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Trading Channel. My name's Greg and today we're going to take a look at the Euro New Zealand dollar. So you can see here out on the 15-minute chart that we've had this rather bullish move off to the left. This was due to the Reserve Bank of New Zealand warning of a potential interest rate cut. So we've had this strong bullish move up and we are just basing in with a little bit of structure here. Let us zoom in so you can see. So had this big strong move up. Best place for stops obviously below here. And what are we going to get up here? Undoubtedly an accumulation of stops. And what I'm looking for is a move potentially down to this little level here. What you can see is this has acted as support and resistance in the past. We've since broken back through it. It would not surprise me to see this push down, touch this, and once again bounce. Now this may just continue given this strong move up. That is a plausible option. The other thing I'll be looking for is maybe some accumulation before I move down, then a move up, or alternatively we may get a push down, a push back up, an attempt to push down, and then a push up. Of course this all adds fuel to the fire. Each one of these will be adding more stops, which as we all know, if they're buying, then their stops are sells. What do the bank need in order to buy? Yes, they need your sells to fill their buy orders. So why do I think this is going to go long? Well, let's remove all these drawings and flip out to the monthly. So you can see here that on the bottom, potentially this is in a channel. You can see that we've bounced off the top. These lows here do a good job of capturing the center line. And this month's candle, I know we haven't finished yet, we've got a couple of days, but you can see it has flipped. We tried to push below these lows right here, we couldn't make it. Again, just kind of pipping below, and this, if you drag it across, is also a nice little level here. Okay, so pushing to the weekly. Once again, held this position. It's now flipped. We've only got a couple of days left, and this may look to push up, dropping down to the daily. Big strong bullish engulfing candle, and it's just pushed us above this nice little level here. So potentially looking for this little stop hunt to occur, and then a rally to the upside. One other thing to bear in mind, obviously we have trend line in play, but once we get above there, I think a couple of areas obviously to keep an eye on. And if it does decide to take off, we can just chase this higher. So anyway traders, I hope you enjoy this sort of content. If you do, please give it a like, give it a share. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please smash that subscribe button. And as always, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one.